Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one divided by this one, y divided by x. They are the root number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we got like this. This is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one we have number 1. We can simplify like this. So this one that is about this one. Y we change for vs. So we simplify and we got v square minus v. Next, I will put v go to the right. And we have negative 2v. So, in this one, I will put v square minus 2v go to the left. ds and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one I will put v multiplied by v minus number 2. So I will put negative number 2 on numerator and the denominator. dv I will put in here. So we need to add about v. Later that we need to minus about v. So v minus number 2 divided by v minus number 2, we have number 1. v divided by v, we have number 1. So we have 1 over v minus 1 over v minus number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of v. The integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of v minus number 2. This one, we have Ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. Oh, sorry. That is in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.